Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're talking about quick ways to lose weight easily. Before we dive in, it's important to remember that there is no magic bullet for weight loss. Sustainable weight loss requires a combination of healthy eating and regular exercise. However, there are some simple changes you can make to your lifestyle that can help you shed pounds quicker and more effectively. Quick tips. Drink plenty of water. Water is essential for overall health and can also aid in weight loss. It helps you feel full, reducing calorie intake, and boosts metabolism. Aim for 8 glasses of water daily. Increase your fiber intake. Fiber keeps you feeling fuller for longer, reducing cravings and overeating. Include fruits, vegetables, and whole grains in your diet. Reduce processed foods. Processed foods are often high in calories, unhealthy fats, and added sugar, all of which can hinder weight loss efforts. Opt for whole, unprocessed foods whenever possible. Mindful eating. Pay attention to your hunger cues and eat slowly, savoring each bite. This helps you feel satisfied with less food and avoid overeating. Strength training. Building muscle mass can help boost your metabolism and burn more calories even at rest. Include strength training exercises in your workout routine at least twice a week. HIIT workouts. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, alternates between short bursts of intense exercise and periods of rest. HIIT workouts are a time-efficient way to burn calories and improve overall fitness. Get enough sleep. When you're sleep-deprived, your body produces more of the stress hormone cortisol, which can lead to weight gain. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Manage stress. Chronic stress can also contribute to weight gain. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as yoga, meditation, or spending time in nature. Try our Guarantee Lose Weight diet, which make you slim. Check out link in bio. Remember, consistency is key. By incorporating these quick tips into your daily routine, you can lose weight safely and effectively. Remember to consult a healthcare professional before making any drastic changes to your diet or exercise routine. Thanks for watching.